What's up, SD Racing family, and welcome back to the channel. Today on the dyno, we've got Dro back with the 6.2 Sierra, and this time we're on flex fuel. So last time Dro was here with his truck, we installed a set of Texas Speed long tubes and Y pipe to go along with this K&N Intake and a Katech throttle body. We tuned the truck on 93 octane using HP tuners, and we made 367 horsepower, 421 foot-pounds of torque. He wanted a little bit more power in that and wanted to do flex fuel. So we got him a DSX tuning flex fuel kit. Now we're about to start using ethanol to see what more power we can get out of the truck. We'll be doing first couple pulls in third gear just to get the ethanol content up in the ECU, and then we'll be switching to fourth gear so we can get a good comparison of what flex fuel can do compared to last time the truck was here on 93. So we're gonna get started. Well, we just got finished tuning Dro's truck with about 63-65% ethanol content read into PCM. We were able to make 390 horsepower, 435 foot-pounds of torque. So before the truck made 367, 421, now 390, 435. So we got an increase of 23 horsepower and 14 foot-pounds of torque with the fuel. So great comparison on what you can expect out of a flex fuel kit on one of these trucks with the modifications that it has on there. Again, you're going to get results are going to vary just a little bit if you have different modifications of what are on this truck right now. Also, less modifications and or more modifications. Usually less modifications will get you a little bit less of a benefit. More modifications will get you more of a benefit, especially if you're going forced induction or a cam. You should see a lot better numbers out of ethanol, at least in the game, than what you see with just a simple bolt-on vehicle. Well, thank you all again for stopping by the channel and seeing the dyno session today with Dro's Sierra 1500. We hope you liked the video, and if you did, please hit the thumbs up. Think about subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we hope to see you again soon. Y'all have a good one.